Hello again. We are the Omis, and this is our ninth Arduino project, the Autolight. In this project, the LED automatically turns on when it's dark and turns off when there's enough light, just like automatic lamps you see in streets and houses. Our group members are Lira Mark Christian, Tardio Mark Vincent, and me, Bohe Caden Verjan. We collaborated to assemble, wire, and code this project together. An Autolight system uses an ambient light sensor to detect the surrounding brightness. When the light level is low, the system turns on a lamp or LED automatically, a concept widely used in streetlights, smart homes, and even in cars. For this project, we use one Arduino Uno board, one breadboard, one LED, one 220 ohm resistor, one ambient light sensor, jumper wires, and a USB cable for programming. In our circuit, the ambient light sensor has 3 pins, VCC, GND, and out. We connected VCC to 5V, GND to ground, and out to analog pin A0. The LED is connected to pin 9 through a 220 ohm resistor. The Arduino reads the brightness from the sensor and decides whether the LED should turn on or off. This is the code we use for our Autolight project. The Arduino reads the ambient light sensor value from pin A0 and compares it to set threshold. If it's dark, the LED turns on, otherwise it stays off. Here's a video of us wiring the sensor and LED to the Arduino and uploading the code. And here's the final output. And that's all. Thank you.